Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. After that, you need to scroll down and select Lock Screen and Security. Then click on Select Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods, swipe, pattern, PIN or password. Tap on the best one for you, and then you can click on Require Pattern to turn on phone, or choose No Thanks. Either way, select Next at the bottom right corner and enter your login method. After that, select Next at the bottom right corner one more time, repeat it and choose Confirm. Now you can pick one of those options, phone notifications on your lock screen. I don't want any, so I will go with hide all notifications and save my changes by tapping on OK at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!